Good morning, Madam, Sir. I'm Amarita Eusebio. You called me Ami for short. I am 31 years old. I am college level. Not married, but blessed with two kids, 8 years old and 6 years old. I have 6 members of the family, 4 brothers and 1 sister. I have work experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. My work there is cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and take care of the baby. There are 4 members of the family. I have also experience here in the Philippines for 3 years. My work is cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, and take care of the baby. There are 3 members of the family. Madam, sir, please hire me as domestic helper because I'm dedicated, hardworking, kind, and honest. Thank you and God bless.